这个颜色真的好好看呀
Don't come close.
哦，我的天哪
No! Help! They're car parts. Let's make it up step by step. Are you ready to assemble? Yes! Cool!
What's next?
Nice! Good! Nice wheel! I like it! Good job! It looks good! Wahoo! That's the engine. Yes! Very good! Nice seat! The lid of a car is his. Look at the door. It's interesting. I'm so funny.
That's a good fit. Oh, what's next? Wow, it's big.
蓝色
Nice. Exciting. It's almost finished.
Oh,
That's cool. Perfect. It's dump truck.
let's go.
Yay! That's an amazing egg.
太神奇了
I love it.
I'm so happy. This is amazing. I had a wonderful time. Cool.
下一集更精彩哦。